Welcome students. Today we do a nice Olympiad question. Here what we need? We need integral solution of these two systems. So firstly I let this equation number 1 and this will be 2. So firstly we try to convert a single equation from these two. So I subtract equation 1 from 2, and what we got here, a plus bc minus of ab minus of c. Here we got 2024 and 2023. So now we rearrange these two terms. So here it becomes to be 1. So I see there is some factorizable terms. So I take this common from here a, and I got 1 minus b, plus here I will get c. So take c as a common and got b minus 1 equals to 1. So here is 1 minus b, here is b minus 1. So I take minus 1, here is common. So we get b minus 1 plus c comes out to be b minus 1 equals to 1. Okay. So now we take b minus 1 as a common, and we got c minus a comes out to be 1. So here we need only integral solutions. Okay, so there will be two possibilities here. B, C and A are integers, and we need their product comes to be integer. So there be two possibilities here, that is this factor comes to be 1 and this factor comes to be 1, and another one is this factor will be minus 1 and this factor will be minus 1. So we study both the cases. So firstly we do the case when b minus 1 comes to be 1 and c minus a comes also be 1. So here we get the value of b comes out to be 2 and c minus a comes to be 1, and I write c comes to be 1 plus a. Now we put the equation values of b comes to be 2 in both the original equations. So here we get 2a plus c comes to be 2023, and a plus 2c comes to be 2024, and additionally we have c comes to be 1 plus a. Okay, so we have three equations. We solve any of two equations, we get answer. So I just solve these two equations. Okay, um, so I to solve it I multiply this equation to be 2. So we get 2a plus 4c comes to be 4048, and write this equation as same. Now we have the same coefficients of a, so we just subtract them, and we got the value of 3c comes to be 2025, and this number will be divisible by 3. So divided it by c, we got 6 is 18, that is 22, 21 and 5. So here we get the value of c comes to be 675, and here we can easily find the value of a, which comes to be c minus 1, that is A comes out to be 674. So value of A will be 674. Value of B comes to be 2, and value of C comes to be 675. Okay, so this is our first case. Now we do our second case. When B minus 1 comes to be minus of 1, and C minus A is also B minus 1. So here the value of B comes to be 0. So value of B comes to be 0, and value of C comes to be A minus 1. So we put B is equal to 0 in our original equation. We got the value of C, that is, we put here B 0, so 0 plus C comes to be, so here we got the value of C comes to be 2023, and just put it here, or here put B is equal to 0, so we got A comes to be 2024. So in that case B is equal to 0, we got this. So here we write, uh, here I just rewrite it, the second case, so because it goes from out of the frame. So we'll do the second case again, that is, when B comes to be 0, sorry, when B comes to be minus 1, and C minus A comes also be minus 1, that is B minus 1 comes to be minus 1. So here B comes to be 0, and C comes out to be A minus 1. So put B is equal to 0 in both the equations. We got 0 plus C comes to be 2023, and A comes to be 2024. So here we easily got all the values. Here A comes to be 2024, B comes out to be 0, and of course C comes to be 2023. So this is our full set of integral value solution. If we need non-integral, then we take here more cases, that is, this comes to be 1 by 2, this comes to be 1 by 2, and 1 minus 1 1, है ना? So there will be infinitely many solutions for this problem. Okay, because we have the uh, three variables, but two equations. Okay, so if we find the non-integral solutions, then we got infinitely many solutions. But if we need only integral solutions, then we have these two pair of solutions.